In pneumatic fittings, 3 thread types are most commonly used. First, BSPT, also known as PT thread. It's a British taper pipe thread, with a 55-degree angle and 1/16 taper. It seals by the threads themselves, no extra seal needed. Next, BSPP, or G thread. It's a parallel pipe thread, same 55-degree angle, but no taper. Usually sealed with an O-ring. Finally, NPT, the American taper pipe thread. It has a 60-degree angle and the same 1/16 taper. Commonly used with thread sealant or PTFE tape. Different standards mean different sealing methods and regional use. Looking for precision and performance? Explore more with VPC.